The National Coordinator Youth for Youth, Comrade Kelly Okungbowa, wey people sabi as Capacity Ebo Stone, don officially resign from the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Before they enter the talk proper, they start the meeting with worship session as their watchword na put God first.
No man no earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord, to the Lord. All the glory must be to the Lord, for He is worthy of our praise. No man on earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord.
The National Coordinator Youth for Youth, Comrade Kelly Okungbowa, announced his resignation from People's Democratic Party (PDP), wey don take effect from July 2nd, 2024. Yarn this one for one talk session wey dem do for the Youth for Youth Secretariat, GRA, Benin City. Comrade Kelly come talk say im dey resign sake of say im no dey satisfied with how the party dey run, and say before im make this decision, im don talk to im family, well-wishers and the Youth for Youth Forum as a whole. He come also talk say no be only him dey resign, say im dey resign with all the members of Youth for Youth wey dey for 192 wards for the state.
Youth for youth. Edo is not for sale. Edo is not for sale. Youth for youth. For those of us that is familiar with social media, especially on Facebook, a lot of you saw what have been going on the internet space since yesterday. It's no longer a news that I, Comrade Kelly Okungbowa, popularly called Capacity Ebo Stone, the National Coordinator Youth for Youth, are resigned for PDP. A lot of people will be saying it was only Ebo Stone that resigned yesterday. Being the national coordinator of this movement, I did not resign alone. I did not resign my membership alone in PDP, but with all my members in Youth for Youth. And by the grace of God, Youth for Youth is the biggest youth platform in Edo State. We are across the 192 wards, the 18 local governments in Edo State with PDP. So, the reason why we are all gathered here is to officially announce to the good people of Edo State, home and abroad, that I resign my membership in PDP. So, we want to make the public to understand that we have our reasons of leaving the party. We cannot be in a place where there is no truth. We cannot be in a place where there is no honesty. We cannot be in a house that is divided by itself. That is why I could deem it fit, after enough consultation for my family, my friends, my well-wishers, my supporters, most especially the members of Youth for Youth. We know it was a difficult task for us to take, but in life, sometimes it is good you take a bold step. You may not look at the action that will go along with it. But what important is for you to have your peace and your rest of mind, so that the people that you are leading will also be grateful when the time comes. And I think on this note, we decided to resign from PDP. And in a very short time, the public, the good people of Edo State, and my people in the diaspora will know and see the direction that Youth for Youth will be going to. And for the party that we are going to work for, we will announce it in a later date, that everybody will see, they will hear, because anything we are doing, we do it open. We are not afraid of anybody. We know a lot of intimidation will come, but we are not afraid. We are used to it. And I want to assure the public that what we fought for in 2020, we can also do the same in 2024. So, a lot of attack will come. People will say all sorts of things, but it's none of our business. As long as you are alive, people will always talk about you. No matter how good you think you may be, but not everybody will like what you are doing. By the grace of God, we are here today as a member of Youth for Youth, the biggest youth platform in Edo State. So the public know that we have resigned our membership in PDP, and by the grace of God, Edo people will bear with us, and they will wait patiently for us to take our next decision.
For a response to the questions wey tori pipo ask am, Comrade Kelly come talk say,
in life, it is not everything you labor for that you always enjoy. It took the grace of God for a human being to appreciate your good work and what you have done for them. As I earlier said, weeping may enjoy for a night, may enjoy comments in the morning. Only God knows what is in my mind right now, but I cannot say all. I think I will have to reserve some. With time, I will speak about it. Thank God, as a journalist, you already know what I did for the party in 2020, where my name became a household name. I rejected a lot of offer, and if I made measure of that amount, a lot of you will say, what I did, I took a very wrong step. But I decided not to take that money in 2020 to work for the good people of Edo State. We did it because the present governor was brought to us, and we were told he was the best man for the job. And maybe one or two things must have transpired between them, the leadership, we don't know. But in 2020, I think they came back and said he was not the right person for the job. Reason best known to them. But on our own part, the way I was brought up, I don't know how to deceive somebody. When I'm with you, I'm with you. That's why you are hearing when my people are saying, anywhere my leader go, we go. Because they know antecedent. So we decided to stick by the present governor in 2020 because we already know that, or we thought he has something to give to us as an Edo people. And I hear some people say we are fighting for Stoneman infrastructure. Politics is all about interest. Whether the interest of you trying to make sure you compare the government or the governor to work for the good people of Edo State, and for you as a person to also have your own benefits in the government. So let me go back to your question. You know, it is not everybody that fought for democracy that is enjoying it today. So, not be today's start. So by the grace of God, God Almighty, He said, I will prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemy. Who knows what God has prepared for me and my people? It is not a political party. It is an initiative that came through us, and we decided to bring it to the public. In our little way, we empower ourselves. And anybody that Youth for You decided to work for in the next election that is coming will be the next governor of Edo State. Because I believe in our strength. We are not just a member, all of us have PVC. And the day of our declaration to any party of our choice, you people will see it by yourselves. So this decision was not taken by me alone, just the national coordinator. It was taken by every member of Youth for Youth. And it may interest you to know that on Sunday, we had a meeting of Youth for Youth executive across the 18 local government. And we decided it is time for us to take the decision. And we have taken the decision, and we are not going back to our vomit. We have said it. As we talk, so that's true. If you will see this cap when I go for it, so the cap now Youth for Youth. Simply mean we will get for the youth. And we want to advise. And most the main reason why on this Youth for You, we are advocating for a youth person to be the next governor of Edo State. Because we feel that it is the time. We feel safe at the time for us when the youth to take over Osadebe Avenue. When the other they tell us, say, we will be youth, we are the leaders of tomorrow. I get in my 40s, I never become leader. Now when I get 70, now be the leader. So please, I think it is high time for us to take the most step. And I want to use this opportunity to advise all my Edo youth to please, we should know the right thing to do while we make sure we will bring the youth into Osadebe Avenue come September 21, 2024.
On behalf of the forum, Comrade Kelly don promise say dem go dey update the public steady about their next move.
Where my leader go, we go. Anywhere my capacity go, we go. Youth for youth. Edo is not for sale. Youth for youth. Anywhere my capacity go, we go. Anywhere my leader go, we go. Youth for youth. Edo is not for sale. Edo is not for sale. Youth for youth.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.